Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I promote my YouTube channel on Facebook. Don't you know YouTube will be more than happy to see other people diverting from other social media platforms onto YouTube. So in this video, as I said, I'm going to share with you my tricks of promoting my YouTube channel on Facebook. I already have a lot of audience and how I promote with evidence. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, welcome back. As I said, in this video I'm going to share with you how I promote my YouTube channel, including the videos on other social media platform, and this video is with the Facebook platform. So I want to show you evidence in my YouTube studio. So when I hit the YouTube studio app, okay, so now let's hit on analytics, okay, so that you see where most of my viewers are coming from. Then let's hit on content. Okay, so let's scroll down. All right, let me shift it to the last. All right, external sites or app. So can you see a lot of my viewers and subscribers are coming from Facebook, and I have 35.4% of them. So when I hit it up, not only Facebook, I also share my videos on my WhatsApp status as well. So can you see Facebook 17%, we have Google search, we have WhatsApp, and it continues. So this is an evidence that most of my viewers and subscribers, because of the videos I share on Facebook, sometimes I get some of the views and subscribers also from Facebook. And one thing that I want you guys to know is this is my Facebook profile, and what I did to get that advantage is I changed it into a Facebook page, meaning it's for business now. So when I hit on my profile icon, can you see now I have 3.7k followers because I did that not long ago. So let me scroll and show you one video. So can you remember this video on my channel where I spoke about buying the cheapest data bundle on MTN? That's how I do it. So when I post, in the description I write a lot, so you can see new video on my YouTube channel. Support my channel by subscribing to Habib Educate. That's the name of my channel. Here is the link of the video. So what I do is I'll post a short video and a catchy one, of course, so when they watch and they fall in love with it, they will end up watching the rest. Do you understand? So that's why I'll direct them to the link to watch the full video. So when you hit it up just like this, it is taking you straight to YouTube, so that you just go and watch the main video itself. So can you see, after hitting the link up, it directed me straight to YouTube. So now let me go back and show you how I do it. So what I do is, after uploading my video on YouTube, at the same time I'll shorten the video, a part of the video that is so interesting and can be catchy, so that my audience on Facebook and WhatsApp see it to end up watching the rest of the video. Then after that, I'll just hit on what's on your mind, meaning I'm ready to upload. So here is the description side. I'll just put in whatever that matters. Then after that, I'll hit on this icon, image icon. It's either I'm going with a photo or a video. After choosing my video, I'll come here and I'll tag a lot of people. Sometimes I do tag more than 100 people, so I'll tag most of these my followers. After tagging, I'm done with that. Then I'll come to sticker area. Then mostly I do go with the activity, then select think about making a change. Mostly that's what I go with. Then location, I'll just put in Ghana. So when I'm done with that, then I'll just hit on post. So when I post, that's it. What is left now is the comments. A lot of my Facebook friends, they'll end up messaging me and they want to know much about the video I posted. I'll just tell them the link is in the description, so they just hit it up and go and watch the full video. Just like a video I did about how to track your girlfriend, your cheating girlfriend. A lot of people came into the comment section and they were asking me how will they do it. I told them to go and watch the full video on YouTube. So most of them went and watched, they came back, they couldn't do it, and I have to redirect them now personally. So that's how I do. You can see a lot of comment, and most of these friends, I get them through the videos I upload. So I think this video is educative. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.